stunning day in the year of our Lord. Check it out, it's just absolutely full chockers of wood. This will be plenty for burning for next winter. Give it about a year for all of this to sort of dry out and then get all nice and cracked. And then we'll be able to split it really easily and yeah, burn it. It's going to be great. It's all really good quality stuff and we need more of the smaller stuff anyway. So yeah, and then this is where it's all come from. So I still got to go through all of this and then everything behind it, but it's great. We've got tons more sun now for the panels, which is awesome. There's my little hard worker over there in the background. Yep. Seriously, what could be more enjoyable than wrapping up the weekend, doing some mowing and watching a kookaburra bounce through all of the work you've been doing, because there's just so many nice bugs for you to eat. So yeah, still plenty to do, but I think I'm done for the day. I was coming over there, buddy, to put some wood there. What you doing? See some wormies and buggies you like? At least 4 bush turkeys. 1, 2, 3, and then it's just moved, but just around the corner there was a 4th one behind there too. Wow, look at that. Look at all those. What you gonna do with all them?
Use.
Yep.